Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 Mercury Super Marauder S-55 convertible. Rare one, that's for sure. One of only 669 made in 1966, with its 428 big block, 7-liter engine, basically the same motor used in the 7-liter Ford Galaxy 500 of 1966. And it had 345 horsepower and 462 torque, foot-pounds of torque at 2,800 RPM. So plenty of power there. 10.5 to 1 compression, and used premium fuel. But this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $28,500. And it was definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure, with the beautiful bright blue color and the off-white interior that it had with the matching top. Definitely a beauty. And this one showed 95,450 miles on it, and still brought a good price due to its rarity and the good look, that's for sure. But as far as the Marauder goes, this was the second generation of the S-55. This one was made from 66 through 67, being the second generation. And basically it had the S-55 badge on the quarter panel, and then the 428 emblem on the front fenders. And it retailed for $3,292 as the hardtop, and they sold 2,916 hardtops. And as far as the convertible goes, they made 669, and that retailed for $3,614 in 1966. So that, in today's money, that's about $32,000. So it was a heck of a buy. Got a lot of car for the money back then, that's for sure. But as far as production numbers on the Ford 7-liter, which was basically the same engine, those they made 2,368 convertibles and 8,705 hardtops. So it shows you they were pretty rare cars, no matter which one it was, the Ford or the Mercury. Unfortunately, the S-55 was pretty much a 1 year only. In 67, the S-55 package became more the S-55 Sports package, and the full-size line saw a major exterior update, changing its flat-fendered sides to a more rounded shape. And Mercury decided to spend more time and money on the Cougar and the Mercury Marquis. So this was pretty much the year for it, 1966. That's the one to buy. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1966 Mercury Marauder S-55 with the Super Marauder 427 cubic inch 7-liter engine, putting out 345 horsepower and 462 pounds-feet of torque. And this one sold at my classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $28,500. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.